How to create a smeared reality animation in CapCut Mobile. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a smeared motion reveal effect in CapCut step by step. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials. First, open the CapCut app on your Android phone. Now, open your project and make sure your video clip is placed at the beginning of the timeline. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation. Now, select the In tab to control how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find Smeared Reality. Tap on Smeared Reality to apply the animation effect to your clip. You'll now see the video reveal with a distorted, smeared motion effect that creates a dramatic and cinematic look. Use the duration slider to control how fast or slow the smeared reality animation plays. A shorter duration makes the reveal feel faster and more energetic. A longer duration creates a smoother and more atmospheric effect. Now, preview the animation and adjust the timing so the smeared reality effect matches your video properly. And that's it. That's how you can create a smeared reality animation in CapCut Mobile easily.